Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 ways to make money using technology in 2025. Technology has become an essential part of our everyday lives, and with the advancement of digital tools, there are countless opportunities to earn money online. If you're curious about how to take advantage of these opportunities, you're in the right place. The first way to make money with technology is through freelancing. If you have skills in design, programming, writing, or even translation, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms allow you to work with clients from all over the world and make a steady income from your freelance work. The second method is affiliate marketing. In simple terms, you promote products or services online and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can get started with affiliate marketing using platforms like Amazon Affiliate or ClickBank. The more traffic you drive to your links, the more you can earn. The third method is e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify or eBay, you can set up an online store to sell your products. Whether you sell handmade or traditional products, there is always a market for online goods. Technology makes it easy to manage your store and track orders efficiently. The fourth method is programming and development. If you have coding skills, you can create websites, mobile apps, or even software. Platforms like Freelancer and TopTile connect developers with clients looking for custom projects. As technology advances, the demand for skilled programmers continues to rise. The fifth method is digital content creation. You can create content like videos, blogs, or social media posts on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. By monetizing your content through ads, brand partnerships, or product placements, you can generate passive income. Content creation is one of the fastest growing ways to make money online, especially with the power of social media. The sixth method is dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. When someone purchases from your online store, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to start a dropshipping business with minimal upfront investment. The seventh method is creating and selling online courses or offering coaching. If you're an expert in a certain field, you can create courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one coaching or group sessions through video calls to share your knowledge and earn money. The eighth method is investing in cryptocurrency and NFTs. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained significant attention, and many people are making money by trading or investing in them. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are another growing trend in the digital asset world. While this market can be volatile, it offers potential for high returns. The ninth method is becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can help businesses and entrepreneurs with tasks like scheduling, email management, social media management, and more. This is an in-demand job that allows you to work from anywhere, using just your computer and internet connection. The 10th and final method is app and web testing. Companies often pay individuals to test their apps and websites to ensure they're user-friendly and free of bugs. You can sign up for platforms like User Testing or Testbirds to start earning money by providing feedback on digital products. So there you have it, 10 proven ways to make money with technology in 2025. Technology is constantly evolving, and there are endless opportunities to capitalize on. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can start earning online today. Let me know in the comments which method interests you the most, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money using technology.